This is the VTOMAN V6 Pro Jump Starter 4-in-1. So this little device has 4 functions. It has a jump starter function, it is a power bank, it has also an integrated compass, and also it has a light that has a strobing light, fixed light, and SOS light. It is 2000 amperes and it can jump start your car up to 30 times from only one charge. It takes 3.3 hours to charge, and in my opinion it is an essential tool for your car, especially in winter time. Also, this VTOMAN V6 Pro Jump Starter has 10 security mechanisms so that to prevent short circuits, and on top of that it also has a boost function so that it can jump start your car even if the battery is completely depleted. It can jump start cars that have a gas engine up to 7 liters and diesel engine up to 5 liters, and this is very good. Let me show you how to connect it and how to jump start your car. By the way, it comes in this nice pouch where you can store everything. So this is the jump starter, and also it comes with all required cables. So it has the jump starting cables, and also it has some documentation, and it has USB-A to USB-C charging cable so to charge it. To jump start your car, you need to open it from here and you need to install it like this. It has a key, it cannot go wrong, and it goes here like this. Make sure it is tight in place. And then this is the plus of the battery and this is the minus. I'm gonna expose the plus. You put the plus on the plus and you put the minus on the minus. If everything is connected correctly, a green LED light will light up here. And if it is blinking green, it means your battery is completely depleted. You need to press the boost button. And then you start your car. And when the car starts, disconnect the negative first and then the positive. And then make sure to remove the cable. And if it has a cover for the plus, just cover it. If you want to check out this VTOMAN Jump Starter, I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you like my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.